there jamming their carts. There's an elevator right behind the lift that not a lot of people know about. If you're ever taking a flight on the airport of Oslo, go past the escalator chair and over to the lift.
Thanks for carrying my luggage. Oops. What is up, you guys? It's your girl Avelovinit and welcome to another travel vlog. Hey, Marve.
What's up?
Marvelous.
Flying out.
Marvelovinit. Marventures. And right now we are here at Oslo International Airport. We're going to fly to Lofoten. Yes.
Very good, very good.
It is one of the famous spots if you want to catch some, what's that? Northern Lights.
Exactly.
Northern Lights, yes. So we took the subway to Central Station, and from Central Station we took another, what do you call that? An
It's
airport.
like a regional train.
Okay, regional train to the airport, and cost me 101 kroners for
€10.
one way. Yeah, for 10 euros. Okay, so you want to talk about the
Yeah, I want to talk about the flight. During the research on how we were going to get to Lofoten, we figured out that the best convenient way is actually, if you're under 25, you can get there for as little as 200 euros back and forth. Then you fly into Bodø and you fly from Bodø over to Leknes airport. There's also a secondary option where you fly into Bodø and you take the high-speed ferry over the fjord. It's actually more convenient just flying in there.
especially if you're traveling during winter time. Yeah.
Exactly, yeah. It's cold. It's cold as
What is this?
This is something called Nordlandpils. It's Northern Norway beer from Northern Norway. Because now we're in Northern Norway.
Alright, lunchtime.
Yeah.
Burgers and beers with Martin Garrix. Oh, SOLHAUGEN. We have to walk outside to get to this tiny plane. Oh my gosh. And it's snowing. There's a snowstorm. Oh my gosh. Wow. Look how pink the sky is. This is Marcos. Hi.
Hello.
Hello. Thanks for picking us up.
No problem.
Oh my gosh, your plate number. There's ice, you guys.
There is no plate number.
Super icy. Oh, look at the moon.
Hi, you guys. We just...
Just checked in here in Solhaugen Brygge, and we have a whole cabin all to ourselves. This is a 2-story cabin, and as you all know, in every hotel, in every vlog, there is always a room tour. Okay, I got dizzy. We have our own kitchen, you guys, complete with everything that you need. Every kitchen equipment that you need. We got 4 stoves, we got an oven, we got a dishwashing machine, which I love because I don't have to do the dishes anymore. Pots and pans, the refrigerator. What's this? The freezer? Oh, plates, casseroles. This is the dining table. And you guys, that is the view from outside. It's only 3 in the afternoon, but this is the living room. There's a flat screen TV over there, a real fireplace, and a couch.
A real man. Oh.
What? Okay. Anyway, don't mind him. This is the view from the living room. Oh, so pretty. Although it's getting a bit cloudy now. Uh-oh. I wish it's this weather. This is the first bedroom. I think this is going to be Martin's room. He has a nice view of the fjord here. We even have our own balcony. This is my room because it has the better view, of course. Are you guys ready to hear the sound of it outside? Nothing. Oh, look at that reflection. Oh my gosh. This is another room, an extra room, a bunk bed. I think 7 people can fit in this type of cabin here. This is the bathroom, a full length mirror, perfect for your OOTDs.
1 hour later.
Today is a Sunday. Most of the supermarkets are closed. There's one open, but it's a small supermarket, so they don't have that much of a selection. Right now, I'm about to cook Norwegian salmon, rice, and fish soup. After the dinner, we're gonna try to catch some northern lights for you guys. Hopefully, I get to see one for the first time. Super excited about that. So, yeah, I'm gonna cook now, okay? We are off to catch some northern lights, and this is what I have to wear. I'm wearing 1, 2, 3, 4, gonna be 5 layers. Yes, I think I'm also wearing like 4 pieces of clothing underneath. I'm wearing 2 socks, and also I'm quite sleepy because we've been up since 6 this morning. It's probably like what, 14 hours, 15 hours ago. I haven't slept throughout the day. Just so you know, I can't drink any caffeine, coffee, energy drinks. Nope, that's why I'm struggling. Him, on the other hand, he's like alive and kicking. I hate you right now.
I'm addicted to coffee.
Yep, we are total opposites on this one. Okay, now I just have to wear my coat and ready to go.
Yeah.
Wow, that looks like what you would wear on Shargo Island.
Oh, you know Shargo?
Yeah.
Heard about it? You been there?
Yeah, it seems like that's what you guys have to wear when you go to the beach down there, isn't it?
Yep.
Because Ave, we're actually going to the beach now, you know? Let's go to the beach! No, you look good in that one. You look so cute.
Oh, you're just saying that. And then
Oh,
this
yeah.
gloves. Trying to get that Aurora Borealis shot. And this church too. Where is it? Hey guys, good morning. It is our second day here in Lofoten. Currently looking at the sunrise, and guys, check this out. That is tasty. It's pastel colors. Martin is currently outside droning it. Oh, look at that beautiful sunrise. I'll bring you guys upstairs to get a better view. Oh, I had such a great sleep. Oh my gosh. I was so tired yesterday. We were up for about 16, 17 hours. But it's worth it. Seeing the Aurora Borealis is worth it. It is quite misty outside. I don't want to go out to take photos. Maybe I'll do that tomorrow or on Wednesday. Last night around 9 in the evening until like 1 a.m. we went hunting for northern lights. You call that hunting because you literally have to chase the northern lights. You don't know where it's going. There's these apps, Aurora and Wish, where you can find out where the northern lights are, but it's still hard to predict whether if it's really there or not. Hopefully we'll get to see that tomorrow, because tomorrow the forecast is like level 3. Hopefully we get to take that photos. But I'm pretty happy with the pictures that we took yesterday. It was so much fun, but it's super cold and sometimes it can get pretty windy. We also went to the beach. We went to like some cabin areas. The locals, Marcus and Celine, were the ones who took us around. They are super patient with us. My camera doesn't do well for a very, very low light, so I only can bump into like 1200 eyes. So I didn't know that it's pretty hard to take videos of the Aurora Borealis. I did capture it using my phone, but it's super blurry and I was freaking out.
Never seen it like that.
Oh my gosh, northern lights. Oh. Literally, as soon as we step outside of the cabin, we saw the northern lights. That's how easy it was for us. I'm super thankful to see it for the first time like that. It was dancing. Oh my gosh, you guys. Hey, you get to drone it?
Yes.
Yes?
I got it.
Oh my gosh, I am so happy. Thank you for droning.
Yay.
Yay! Now I'm gonna make breakfast. And oh my gosh, it's suddenly snowing. I don't know if that's good. We're gonna hike. We might hike later.
We might hike, not hike it.
I don't wanna hike with that kind of snow. It's super cold, you guys. Just so you know, I was wearing like freaking 6 layers and I'm still cold yesterday. I was wearing like 3 socks and oh. Are you gonna vlog?
Yeah, I'm gonna vlog too.
Okay. Snowing. Look how thick the snow is. Full on gear. Take that Instagram photo. Let's go. Let's do it before the sun sets.
Here, photographer.
Yeah.
It's all you.
If there's a will, there's a way.
So you just stay here, make sure not to get the horse. You ready?
Yeah. Walk here. Slowly. Look to your left. Move back. Move back. Look to your left and walk.
You've been vlogging this?
Yeah, you've been out so long. I was like waiting and like deleting files and all of this. You're like taking so much time to get up. Thank you you for that.
Here we go.
Thank you. Wow. Such a strong man. Where's the groceries?
They're coming.
Wow, Martin. You carried all of these? Wow. He is such a strong man. Thank you for doing this, but I'm gonna cook him dinner. For those of you who might be wondering who pays for the groceries, we share it. Don't go saying, oh, I'm so sweet, Martin has been treating her so well, blah blah blah.
Hey.
Yeah, it's true, but you know, we always split the cost. We always split for, let's say when we go to a restaurant, buy the groceries, pay the gas, the bills. What bills? So now what I'm going to do is put all of these inside the refrigerator.